Alright, let me get this all set up here, and then if you want to fly for a bit, I'll show you the ropes again. You flew last time though, right? Yeah. So yeah, just move your seat forward to where you could put your feet on the rudder pedals, and you should be good. I'm gonna just climb this back up to 4,000. Okay, so if you want to put your right hand on it like that, and I pretty much have the power set, so you don't really have to do much, but you can just keep us flying straight and at our altitude. So yeah, I think we'll fly out along the coast, and then we'll probably come down low, go past the coast a little bit if you want to take some pictures and stuff. And I'll fly for that piece, and then when we climb back up, you'll fly again, and we'll start heading back. That should be pretty fun.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Aviate 6A.
Yeah, this is cool.
In this video we're picking up right where we left off after our crosswind landings as we head out west to do some beautiful scenic flying.
Throttle mixture, we'll richen the mixture since we're going to be down low. And I'll pull the power way back because we got plenty of altitude. Good. I think if we go low enough, the sun will actually set for us. Then if we climb back up again, it'll show up again. Turn my landing light on in case anyone is coming. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
We're making the sunset ourselves.
Yep. Alright, all the lights are on. Everything is set, looks good. Everything's running smooth. I'll turn the lights on here. There's a lot of cows down there. Pretty good waves.
Airliner up there.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make a pretty good turn over here. Follow the coast. You'll see, like, as soon as we turn, we're gonna pick up so much speed because now the wind is gonna be pushing us this way, right? And now we're going at the same airspeed, but our ground speed is a lot more. Okay, I'm gonna put the prop all the way forward, increase the speed, and then we're gonna start climbing. And turning around. It'll like kind of drift like this. If you watch out the window, you'll see it. And now we're moving slow again because we're going into the wind. So, I mean, knowing where the wind is at all times makes you a pretty good pilot, I think. Because the wind is such an important, deal. Even though, like, for glider pilots, the wind is pretty much everything. For us, we have an engine, so we don't need the wind to, fly necessarily. But still, the wind is going to affect a lot of, how we fly, so. Alright, so let's climb up against the coast, and then we'll head back. Your controls?
What do you want me to climb to?
Oh, we'll go back up to probably 3,500 or 4,000 even, so got a ways to go. Because right now we're at 1,800. Right about there. Damn, that was a clean turn, dude. It's almost like you've done this before.
On GTA,
Oh yeah, on GTA. That's crazy. Oh, that was good. I can feel you like use the rudders a little bit too. It was nice. So yeah, just try to focus on keeping it at 4 or 5 and just kind of pick a point out ahead and just kind of fly towards that point. You know the wind is going to be pushing us this way, so we actually want to be heading that way, which we are. But in order to get there, you have to turn a little bit away from it or turn into the wind a bit. So, and we can go ahead and actually dim the lights a little bit. Alright, so now I'm pulling the power back. Mixture is going to rich. Get the prop all the way in. And we're bleeding off all of that speed. Ukiah traffic, sky 501 Delta Sierra, right 4533 Ukiah. Okay, pre-landing check. And you do have a light here if it's... There you go.
brakes,
Brakes test. And working.
landing light,
Landing light on.
autopilot,
Off.
belts,
Mine's good. Yours good?
harness,
Yeah.
mixture,
Mixture is full rich.
RP,
Yeah, we can pull the carb heat.
fuel,
Fuel is on both.
flaps.
Flaps will be coming down shortly. That's it. Alright, nice. Okay, so we got good speed, got the flaps coming down now. Gonna actually turn it in a bit early and I'm gonna go all the way to flaps 20. Because I'm turning it early, I'm gonna be a bit high. What I'm anticipating. So that's why I put the flaps all the way in so I could just use that drag to come down. Power off pretty much. All lights are on. Final checks. Ukiah traffic, sky 501 Delta Sierra, right base to final, 33 full stop, Ukiah. And I'm looking at my speed, we're hovering right above 80. Looking good. Damn, it's really squirrely. That's fun though. Welcome back to Ukiah. And Ukiah traffic, sky 501 Delta Sierra is clear of runway 33 Ukiah.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I read all the comments. I try to reply to all of them. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think or if you have any questions. Remember to stay safe, keep flying, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.
Okay, final checklist is securing the aircraft. Gonna run that and then we'll be done.
ELT,
ELT is verified off.
avionics,
Avionics off.
Mixture, mags, lights, master. that's pretty much it. Cowl flaps closed. Fuel to the left.